Welcome back guys. So in this video we will see how to find the factorial of any number. So first of all I am declaring int number. In the next step I am declaring factorial. So I am declaring factorial with long double because the factorial also contain the point value. So that's why I am using long double factorial. In the next step I am taking input the number that I have declared before. So that's why I want to print the line cout enter your number. So I want to print this line so that I will take the factorial of that number. Guys, remember one thing, this number is actually entered by user. Okay, now I'm ending the line, so that's why I use and L, so it will print it in a new line. So now I want to take input, so that's why I'm using C in data type with number. In the next I'm using if condition. So remember one thing, this condition is actually the main point. So if the number is less than 0, so you know the factorial of less than number 0 is not exist. If the number entered by user is less than 0, then it will create an error. So you know, because negative number have doesn't any factorial, so it will print out error. So factorial of factorial of negative number is not exist. So I want to end this line, so that's why I'm using and L, so it will end up this line. So if the above condition is false, it's mean our number is greater than 0, and you know the number who is greater than 0 has factorial. So that's why I'm using for loop to get the number. So you know the for loop has three parts: initialization, condition, and updation. So I'm initializing I is equal to 1, so I less than equal to number. So this is our condition, and the updation is I plus plus. So this is our for loop to get the sequence of number. Now in next step I am using factorial formula to get the factorial number. So I'm using here factorial that I have declared before as a long double, because factorial contain all values. It will also contain decimal value as well as a point values. Okay, so now I want to get the factorial of number. That's why I want to print cout factorial of, and I want to again use number that I have declared before entered by user, and I want to take here an equal sign. So and now I want to use factorial. So this is our program. Now our program is ready. Now run program and let's see the different outputs. So enter your number for factorial. So I am entering the number, you can enter your own. So I'm entering 3, the factorial of 3 is 6. So now again run the program and let enter the different number. So I am running program, enter your number for factorial. So I am entering 12, you can enter your own number. Factorial of 20 is 4.7002e plus 008. So this is our output. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel.